for choosing my Wendy's. How can I help you?
Hi, can I have four-piece spicy chicken nuggets?
Any sauce?
No. And a large fry.
It's like a motherfucking atom bomb.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through my PR, which I've been waiting for quite a while now. I'm going into this PR very optimistic, to say the least. My goal is to hit 275 or 375, which on the Texas squat bar is 3 plates and a 25. I think if I had the mentality going in thinking I can hit it, I'm feeling good. When once we start warming up, I'll see how we feel. But right now I'm feeling really good, so I'm waiting for Steve right now. I just pulled outside the gym. It's pretty packed. It's pretty packed here because today is Labor Day, September 7th. So the gym is closing early. It is 10:31 right now, so we got to get in. It shouldn't take that long to PR. It took me about an hour to get up to 450 on my squat or my deadlift the other day, so it should be pretty quick. So we're gonna go in, start warming up, wait for Steve, and then I'll talk to you guys throughout the clips. I'm gonna show you everything from the warm up until we PR. And I'll throw in some clips of me talking and whatnot throughout the rest of the video. But I'll see you guys in the video.
Let's go! Let's go! You better get this fucking shit up. Let's go! Easy way. Let's go! Let's go! Up! 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 Let's go! Yeah, let's go! Oh, let's go! Let's go! You got it. Let's go! Let's go! Get up! 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 Fuck!
Fucking double the money, baby.
All right, guys, we just left the gym here with Steve.
What's up, guys?
So he actually bitched out of a PR today.
I didn't bitch out.
No, because his back was hurting, which I can understand since I haven't had an injury in the past. But you just saw we hit a massive 20-pound PR, 380. I'm gonna kick your ass. 380. My intention was only 370, 375. And after I hit the 375, it moved so fast, so I decided to put on the 2.5.
No, I decided.
No, Steve wants to put on the 5s.
You could have done it.
Steve wants to put on the 5s to go to 385. Well, I said, screw that. There's no way I would get it. As you guys saw, the 380 was a grinder of my lifetime. But we're leaving the gym. This is going to be the end of the video. We're going to Starbucks right now.
It ain't the end of the video.
Yes, it is.
All right.
So,
You're lying.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Friday will be the bench PR video, so stay tuned for that, and I will talk to you guys in that video. Bye.